Alright y'all, today we're going to be making a traditional Greek New Year's cake, Vaselopita. For this, we have some sugar, self-rising flour, yogurt, eggs, butter, and orange, vanilla extract, some salt, and just for the dust the top of it, some powdered sugar. But before we get to baking, we are on the road to 1,000 subscribers, so if you want to learn a new recipe every week, go ahead, hit that like and subscribe button down below. Let's get to baking. Alright y'all, so we have 3/4 of a cup of butter. It's softened. Because I forgot to leave mine out, I threw it in the microwave for 20 seconds. Typically, you want to leave it out. We're going to add 1.5 cups of sugar. Now we're just going to get this creamed together pretty well. Once we have our sugar and butter creamed together, we're going to add in 3 eggs, but we're only going to do one at a time. Once we have that mixed together, we want to add a pinch of salt and a teaspoon of vanilla. We also want to add in 1/3 cup of our Greek yogurt. Now we're going to get this well creamed together. Now we're just going to zest our orange into this. Now we need about 1/4 cup of orange juice. Now we're going to get this well blended together. Now we need 3 cups of flour, only adding 1 cup at a time. Alright y'all, so once we have our batter put together, we're going to go ahead and dump it into our cake pan. We're going to go ahead, smooth this out, spread it out evenly. Alright, so now that we have our cake batter in our pan, it's traditional to put a coin in here, hide a coin in it, and then whoever finds the coin will have good luck in the new year. And then because of sanitary reasons, a lot of people will use some type of nut, right? And I happen to have maple nuts on hand, so I'm going to go ahead and hide this guy in there. Now we're going to throw this in the oven at 350 degrees for an hour. At that point, I'll bring you back. Alright y'all, so it was in the oven for an hour. We've taken it out. Now we need to let it completely cool before we do anything else with it. So I'll bring you back. Alright y'all, so it's been a few hours. It's had time to cool. Now we're just going to take some of our powdered sugar. And give it a good dusting. Alright y'all, and there we have it, Vaselopita. I hope you have a wonderful New Year's, and as always, if you want to see anything made on this channel, go ahead and leave a comment below. But until next time, keep on cooking on.